Alright, what's Stanford Store? It's a tool that lets us create our own sales page for courses, products, and more. It integrates social media profiles in one place. It's like Linktree, you know? You enter and see all the users' social media and products, but here you can also upload courses. They provide various examples, see? Like Zara's, where you can instantly access products, right? It also links to a page where we can view and buy the actual product. It's an easy way to set up our own store, got it? Plus, Stan Store's appealing because, despite the monthly fee, there's no commission on sales. We can click sign up and they'll ask for our info. Then we can start, okay? They'll charge us, of course. There's a free trial, but we'll need to enter card details. The free trial starts at $29/month. It includes a mobile optimized version, bio link, digital product uploads, URL links, course building, audience analytics, custom mobile app, 24/7 creator support, websites, subscriptions, and membership. The pro plan adds email marketing flows, discount codes, offers, affiliate links, and pixel tracking. Here are some reviews from people who've made money with this tool, okay? We also have examples, alright? If we scroll up, we can see one like Abby of You, okay? It lets us upload a fat loss guide for $20, buy now, and so on. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful.